drones. Now, you've probably heard a little bit about drones in the news lately. These things fly all throughout the Middle East and the Horn of Africa. When they're not spying on suspected terrorists, they're probably killing them with Hellfire missiles. But here's the thing. Drones are coming to the States. They're actually already here.
Officer of the main effort for the Second Battle of Fallujah, we had a lot of sophisticated communications gear inside of my command vehicle. But as soon as we hit the city, the outskirts of the city, and crossed the line of departure, all those sophisticated radios that they gave me broke down because they all operated off a line of sight.
Skelder UAV are perfect examples of technology that can be used to support troops with vital information, utilizing onboard state-of-the-art sensors and data link fusion. In the old days, they used to deploy scouts to gather information. Today we use long-range sensors and equipment such as Skelder that can transmit information in real time.
By the end of World War I, you see all these other roles being visualized for planes that soon move over to the commercial sector. Passenger, postal delivery, medical evacuation, you name it. Same exact thing is happening with robotics.
In today's highly connected world, it's easy to take real-time, reliable communication for granted.
Record-breaking high tides and rough surf lashed the coastline as the storm made landfall in southern New Jersey. The mid-Atlantic and southern New England shores hit hard by flooding. Water lapping at the doors and sea foam piled up.
When disaster happens, real-time information and the ability to communicate are critical to helping people in. The Phantom Eye is a UAV that is built to gather and transmit information, cruising for days in the stratosphere.
This would be a vehicle you could put up over a disaster area, or if all communications were lost, could basically come in and replace satellite communications.
The Phantom Eye offers immense flexibility. It can be used for emergency relief, search and rescue operations, port security, border monitoring, and scientific experiments.
This lightweight solar-powered airplane, being developed by NASA and AeroVironment, can cruise at an altitude of 60,000 feet for 6 months at a time without landing. AeroVironment plans to use this unmanned aerial vehicle as a carrier to provide broadband internet access in the future. AeroVironment claims that the aircraft will build to cover a service area of approximately 40 miles in diameter once complete.